to Chikuchu's world. Today we have came to a strawberry farm. These strawberries are very tasty, juicy and red. Mahabaleshwar is famous for its strawberries. So that's why. Here, these are the small plants of strawberries. This is the strawberry flower and this is an unripe strawberry. So we can see here that in this strawberry it's unripe. We can say that, but it's little pinkish, so it's going to get ripe. The strawberry season has just started here. When they're ripe, they're red like this and like this too. So what we can observe here is there's a lot of scarecrows. You can see right over there. There are many scarecrows, like 3-4 scarecrows and other vegetables too here. So these scarecrows are made here so that these little plants are safe from birds like crows, pigeons, and sparrows. Yeah. So you can see over there. Will you please show the audience that there are little green strawberries over there? Yeah, over there. Over here. So they're looking so green and good. And that too, you can see them. It's little shrubs. So when they're picked from the farms, they're really fresh. And that's why Mahabaleshwar is famous for its strawberries. Yeah. Over here there are pea trees. We get peas from from this tree near the scarecrow. Yeah. See, since now the COVID virus was on, this scarecrow has a mask on it. So funny.
So isn't it funny?
Yeah, it's so funny.
Yeah.
So this is our first time in a strawberry farm. So we're really excited that we came here to pick up some strawberries, and well, the best part is to eat them because they're really juicy and red. This farm has some brinjals and radishes. Also, there was many more shrubs and like that. So, we're glad that we came in Mahabaleshwar. Thank you. Bye. Until next time.